You want to build something that's sustainable. Like I said, the biggest risk is depending on a job the rest of your life. The thing is, building good, consistent daily habits is going to be something that benefits you on the charts and off the charts as well. You just need to work on getting at least 1% better. Take that risk, be motivated, be disciplined. Good morning, everyone. It's currently 10:24. I was just chilling in Midtown for a little in Tampa. If you know the spot, you know the spot. Now I'm heading to downtown. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to be talking about today is setting goals for yourself. Now, this is for everything, trading, lifestyle, fitness, whatever it may be. You need to set goals for yourself because if you don't have goals, you honestly have nothing to work towards. For me, I have 3 categories of goals. I have easy, medium, and hard. Obviously, the easy ones are going to be something I'm probably going to hit within the next month to 2 months. The medium goals are going to take probably more like half a year, and then the hard goals are going to probably take a whole year. If not, I might not even hit them, which obviously you got to have really, really hard goals, because if you just have all easy goals, once you achieve them, then there's like nothing else to work towards. So make sure you set anywhere between easy and super hard goals. For me personally, I like to set monthly goals and kind of quarterly goals and yearly goals. I think that's what helps me a lot, and it keeps me motivated and stuff, which I'm not motivated all the time, but I am disciplined, and that's what keeps me going every single day. And some of the goals I have are for even years and years down the road. I want to start investing in real estate, which I don't know exactly when that's going to be. And then honestly, I want to have the nice ass cars. I want to have the nice ass condos, houses, all that. But that's stuff that's going to come with years and years of hard work. And I do believe I'll hit it because, for one, like I said, I am motivated, and I have a lot of things that are motivating me. I want that better lifestyle. I want those nice cars and stuff. There's been plenty of times where I've been chilling in bed and I just feel really lazy and I don't want to do anything. Then whenever I start thinking about the lifestyle I want and the things I have to do, that means I have to get out of bed and do the things. So make sure you guys write down your goals and you start working on your discipline. Those are going to be 2 major things in not only your trading journey, but your life journey as well. The thing is, building good, consistent daily habits is going to be something that benefits you on the charts and off the charts as well. You've probably heard other traders say it, but your lifestyle outside of trading is going to reflect your trading lifestyle. You're going to see it on the charts and stuff. If you are not a patient person, you're not going to be patient on the charts as well. So you have to work in all aspects, guys. It's not an easy journey. I've been trading for years now, and I still don't have it 100% down. I'm not a millionaire. I don't have all the things I want yet. But I strive to be at least 1% better each and every day, and that's something I'm big on, guys. If you want to keep progressing in this life, you need to force yourself to make progress, and it could be in different categories of your life. You can get 1% better, let's say today, at trading, 1% better tomorrow at least filming, 1% better in your fitness lifestyle, or you could just be 1% better at discipline, whatever it may be. You just need to work on getting at least 1% better each and every day at something, because once you stop making progress, then you're not going anywhere. For me personally, I'm always thinking about stuff I could film or just other things I can do, just trying to keep my brain going at all times because I'm trying to get better. And then once you get good at stuff, you just need to stick with it. Us traders, we all sucked when we first started. We were all unprofitable. We were just constantly losing money and stuff, but some of us never gave up. A lot of people give up in trading, and that's why they never make it to that profitability stage, because most people get into trading thinking they're going to get rich quick, and that's not the case at all. There's a very small percentage of us that actually stick with it, and we're the ones that are going to see the results. The same people that get into trading to try to get rich quick, those are going to be the same people that are probably going to be working a normal job for the rest of their life because they're just looking for the fast money. And I'm telling you guys, the fast money is a lot harder to come by than you think. You want to build something that's sustainable. You want to build something that can keep you income for years or the rest of your life. And trading, that's one of those things that can keep giving you income for the rest of your life. And then if you get good at content, you can do that for as long as you want. And then once you're making good money trading, you can always go ahead and put that money into other businesses, other investments, and now you have multiple sources of income. And that's going to bring me to the next thing. And multiple sources of income is very important to achieve that luxury big lifestyle. So those people that we want to be like, that have, you know, the crazy nice cars, they have time freedom, they have, you know, the nice houses, they can travel whenever, they have multiple sources of income. They're not just chilling on one income. So like, let's say with trading, most people that get really good at trading and they're making serious money, now they're going to start funneling that money into other things, because the key to wealth is having multiple sources of income. So if you make a lot of money trading, you need to go ahead, put that in maybe real estate, Roth IRA, maybe do some like startup businesses and stuff. All that is going to generate you extra money. And then once you have multiple sources of income, it's harder to go broke, because let's say if one sector goes down, let's say if you're invested in real estate and real estate starts tanking, but you have money tied up in, let's say, just say oil, for example, crazy hard to get into, but just say oil, and the oil market's booming. Now you're making money off oil, but your real estate portfolio is not doing the best, but you're still making money. That's what's very nice about not having your eggs in one basket and diversifying your portfolio. And honestly, you don't want all that money just sitting in your bank account anyways. Money's just sitting in your bank account, it's barely making any interest. You need to have your money in other places. The key to becoming very wealthy is you want your money to make you more money. You don't want to go spend 8 hours of your day working a job. You're trading your time for money at that point. You need to have your money make you money. So the way you got to start out is you're trading your time for money, because we all got to get a job, you know, we got to do other things to make money. But then once you make that money, you need to put it into things where that now makes you money. You got to have your money make you money, not your time make you money. This life we have is very short, guys. Like, time's going by crazy fast, and it's scary because you don't realize if you just go by doing the same thing every single day, like let's say someone goes to work, they're not investing their money, or they're not even trying to accomplish their goals or anything. You're just going with the motions, and by the time you realize that, you're going to look at the time, you're going to look at the day and be like, holy shit, what have I done with myself the past few years? It gets freaky, guys. It really does get freaky, because this life is so short and it's supposed to be so meaningful. I mean, we all have a purpose and we all have very high potential, but a lot of people just don't take advantage of it because they're caught up in their work life. They're going working 8-10 hour shifts for someone, but they're not even spending at least an hour a day on their own dreams and their own selves, which, you know, at the end of the day, people just get caught up in. Then they're 30, 40, 50 years old, even 60 something years old during retirement. They're like, what did I do with my life? I didn't even get to enjoy my life. I just worked, and I have nothing to show for it now. That's what scares me, and that's what made me realize early on, it's like, I don't want to just work my whole life, and once I'm 60 something years old, then I can enjoy my life. I want to be able to enjoy my life at a young age. I want to be able to let my family enjoy their life. So that's what motivates me, and that's why I push so hard, because it's not long here, and we need to be able to enjoy it. And once you have a purpose in life, it makes life a lot more enjoyable, I guess I'll say, because now that I've had a purpose with just doing content, with trading, and then I want to be able to teach people and show them the same exact thing that made me have a come up, which I haven't had my come up yet. I'm in the middle of the journey right now, but I will get there one day. Another thing too, it doesn't matter whatever your age is, you want to try not to get in a crazy amount of debt either, because if you just get in a lot of unnecessary debt, it's going to hold you back and it's going to be tougher for you. So try to stay as debt free as you can. Try to have good credit, all that type of stuff. That's going to make your come up journey a little bit easier, because credit is a big thing in this world. If you have good credit, you can get better loans, better interest rates, all that type of stuff. And when I say don't get into a lot of debt or anything, there's good debt and there's bad debt. If you get into debt when it comes to like real estate and stuff, that's pretty good debt, because that is making you income. But if you're getting into a whole bunch of unnecessary debt, you're just buying a whole bunch of stuff off Amazon on your credit card, you're just doing a whole bunch of shopping on your credit card, and you're getting depreciating assets, that stuff's just going to be costly in the long run, and you're not making money off of it. So there's good debt and bad debt. Try to limit the bad debt. If you could do it without taking out a loan and stuff, perfect. Go that route, man. If you can do it without any helps from the bank or anything, that's amazing. But a lot of people do need some loans here and there to start up. And when I say get loans and stuff for businesses, that does not mean trading. Do not ever pull out a loan for trading or anything. But if you're doing other businesses or you're getting a real estate conventional loan, go ahead, and the loans aren't bad. You're going to possibly be making money from them. And probably my last topic, guys, I'm getting close to home, is don't be afraid to take risk. Taking risks is going to be crucial when it comes to your life journey and stuff. If you don't take risk and you're afraid of it, you're just going to be sitting in the same place for the rest of your life, and that is scary. You want to always be getting better and better. Now, I'm not saying go do the craziest shit that has no point or anything. Take calculated risk. Make sure you analyze what the outcome could be, what you're risking, all that type of stuff, but you have to take risk in life in order to get to the next step, in order to live a better life. If you're not going to take any risk with your money or anything, and you're not going to have your money work for you, you're going to be just stuck in the same exact place every single year, and you don't want that. You don't want to just be stuck with working 8-hour days Monday through Friday for the next 40, 50, 60 years of your life. That is the biggest risk right there, is depending on a job for the rest of your life. The biggest risk is not learning a valuable skill that can benefit your life. Learn something, if that's coding, real estate, marketing, social media, trading, whatever it may be. You need to learn a valuable skill and be the best you can at it, and make it turn into multiple sources of income somehow. Like I said, the biggest risk is depending on a job the rest of your life. If you're working 8-hour days and you just have a normal job, let's say, you have to depend on that job for all your bills. That's why no matter what age you are, but especially if you're young, start working on something right now and take it so serious. Even if you suck at it, stick with it. Make sure you enjoy it, because if you're just doing it for the money, you're probably not going to be able to stick it out. You have to make sure you enjoy it. But if the thought of working 8 hours a day until you retire doesn't scare the shit out of you and motivate you to want to just get up right now and do something, then I don't know what will, because I'm not going to lie, that shit motivated the hell out of me. When I got out of technical college and I was working as a mechanic, I was making shit money and busting my ass. I had a lot of responsibility, this and that, and I was making no money almost. And that really made me think, like, do I really want to do this shit for the rest of my life? So that's when I started digging more into trading, and I freaking was like, dude, I got to make something work. Something in my life has to work, because I'm not doing this the rest of my life. Not doing it. And then once I started getting better and better at it, I've started enjoying my life more. I've started taking a lot more risk as well. And I can't wait to see where we're at in 1, 2, 3 years, because honestly, I've just been getting better and better and leveling up slowly and slowly each and every year. But there's going to be that one point where it just starts taking off for sure. But a lot of this I wouldn't be doing if I never took the risk. I would just be going to my job every single day. I wouldn't be filming. I wouldn't be trading. I wouldn't be doing other things with my money that honestly, I do lose money sometimes, but I'm taking the risk. I'm trying. So take that risk, be motivated, be disciplined, and make sure you do something with your life. Life's short. We don't want to be spending 40, 50, 60 years working 8 hours a day, building someone else's dream, making them rich. They're enjoying the yacht, they're enjoying the luxury lifestyle, but we're going and we're just working for shit money 8, 10 hours a day. And I'm not hating on people with jobs or anything. We need jobs, but you need to use your job as a funnel to level up your lifestyle. So really think about that, guys, and I hope that motivated the hell out of you. But I'm probably going to end the video here. I'm going to go ahead and get a nice little workout, and I will see you guys in the next video.